everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video that you need to go to environment to define the area of your extent. It depends on your data type. Okay, so I want to define my environment. Okay, raster analysis here. Click on my local government. Environment processor, that is 0. Okay, after doing that, click on OK. Click on my environment. Okay, you can see it's running at the downside of my laptop. You leave it for some time to finish. Alright, our clipping is done. Okay, then I will uncheck all my DEM tabs. I have to uncheck them one after the other. Okay, then I will also uncheck my study area. Alright, you can see that our area has been clipped out. Our study area has been clipped out from the DEM. Okay, after doing that, I will go to App Toolbox. Open my App Toolbox, then go to 3D Analysis Tools. 3D Analysis Tools. Under 3D Analysis Tools, I will go to Raster Surface. Then I will click on Asphalt. Raster, I will put my clip. And choose. this fit my work? Okay, in this very one, let me use landscape. Okay. Alright. Please, if you are watching this video up to this very point, do well to hit the subscribe button. Okay. Thank you. Now you add my map title and legend and everything. Let me increase my labeling number to 2 so that it will not cluster one place. Now we click on next. Click on next. Okay, I'm done with the labeling. Alright. I want to increase my labeling so that it will be visible. Then I will right click on the labeling and go to property, then enter symbology to increase my labeling. Then I'm choosing on all matches so that my labeling will be very visible in the map. Okay. And after doing that, I will click on OK. Click on apply and OK. Alright. The next thing I want to do now is for me to add my north arrow. Okay. Then I will increase it to be, I click on it and increase it to be visible. Alright, I'm done with that. Then my map title. The next thing that I want to do now is for me to add my map title. Because you can't produce a map without a title. Okay. First river. As part map of Cross River. Alright. After doing that, I will click on OK. Then right click. I will make it visible. Right click on it, go to properties. Then type my label, type my type in order to make it very visible. Okay. Passport map. Of Cross River. Now you increase my color. And make it bold. You choose the color. Along my right hand, so that it should be visible in the map. Okay. Then click on OK. Apply. Alright. The next thing I'm going to do now is for me to add my scale bar. You still go back to the insert option. Right click on it and go to scale bar. Then choose the scale that you want. I choose the scale that I want to use in my map. Okay. Then also enlarge my scale. After doing that, I want to add my grading. I will go to view. Then enter. I will go to view. Then, and then I will go to grid. Then add my grid or my grid line. My grading number rather. For the minute I want, let me use 15. Then for the second 30. Okay. I will choose level only. Click on. I will choose level only. Leave my degree to be 0, my minute to be 15, while my second will be 30. After doing that, I will click on next and choose my X style. And also increase the number in order to be visible. Then I will bold my text and click on next and go to property. In order to set my grading. Okay. Vertical level I tick on left and right. And in for the axis, I will also tick my left and right. Then click on apply and OK. Alright. Please, if you watch this video up to this very moment, do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. And